It was the start of last season where you left Bangor, and it's been a year since in the game. Why Albert, and why at this point you decided to return to the game?
Well, obviously, I wanted to get back in the game as quick as I could. I had a few personal problems late on in the year. I lost my brother. But I didn't stop watching games. I've watched games, and you do miss the day-to-day involvement and being in with the players in the dressing room. You're going to miss that when all you've been doing all your life is football. So, I've got a chance to get back into it. I had a few offers closer to home, but once I spoke to Donald, and I knew Aberystwyth were interested in me, I thought, why not? It's a big club, and the welcome I've had since I've been here a couple of times, and the amount of people who give us good luck wishes, and you have to look around the club is it's an exciting club to be at. But at the end of the day, we've got to be successful on the pitch, and we need 4 or 5 good Welsh experienced Premier League players in that as quick as possible. We've got a couple more or less signed already, and there's more work to be done on that side of it. I've got a good assistant manager in Wayne Jones, who's fantastic to work with, and we've also got a good board of directors. So I'll be giving it 120% to make this club successful. I'm sure when I was at Bangor City, I made sure I got 110% out of every player that set foot on the pitch, and over the 9 years I was there, I was pretty successful at it. But the league's improved since then. There's been a lot more, as you say, investment put into the league, and the teams have got stronger. So we're under no illusions. We've got a really, really tough job on our hands, but it's a challenge that I relish, and I just can't wait to get going, and the league to get going, and fingers crossed we get that bit of luck that we need, and I bring a bit of success here.
And speaking of that league getting going, we've got another couple of games. We've got next week, and we've got the double header. How are we going to be looking ahead? What's the plan between now and that game against Barry Town?
It's always difficult pre-season because you've got a lot of players here, and ideally I could have done with being here a couple of weeks earlier, because we only got 4 weeks, and it's not a great deal of time before that first game at Barry. But I've got my ideas of the team that I want and the players that I want in, and over the next 10 days we've got to try and implement that and get to work on the training pitch with them, ready for that game, because that's not going to be an easy game, the first game against Barry. But we're all looking forward to it, and as you say, we've got 4 weeks yet, and we've got a few training sessions and a few friendlies to go, and hopefully, as you say, we can get these players in and get cracking on for that Barry Town match.
Nev, many thanks for your time. Welcome to the club, and I hope it's a very successful time you got here.
Thank you.